But what I'm saying that when you go to a health facility and you count maybe 100 teenagers who have delivered, okay, 60 of those teenagers will go back home with dead babies. That's what I was saying, okay? Of the 100 teenage girls who get pregnant in Lira district, 60 of them go back home with dead babies. Yes, so that's the problem we have. Reason being, their body systems are not fully developed, okay? Then of the 100 teenage girls who get pregnant, 40 of them go back in coffins. I hope I'm clear there. They die. So 40% of teenage girls who get pregnant die during giving birth. And that is the challenge we have at Lira district. In other parts of the country, especially southwestern region, the picture is quite different. Okay? And when you look at the majority of these girls who are getting pregnant and dying during giving birth, they are mainly in the rural settings, in the villages, okay? It's very rare that is happening in town.
My dear sons and daughters and fellow elders, do we really report some of these cases? Because I say this teenage pregnancy is not somewhere. It is with you there in your house. It is in your village. It is within your community. And it is in your district. What are you doing? I know for sure that the purpose of our being here is to ensure that what are we going to do or what have we done? And how far shall we go? In 2, in 3, in 1 month, 2 years, 1 year, like that. So it is a big concern to all of us that we have a stake. Each of us have a stake. And that's why I'm saying that as FIDA or as the Women's Rights Coalition, at least we have tried. To some percentage, we have tried to ensure that our young ladies, young girls, be in school. We have ensured that our parents or the stakeholders who are there at least do something.
So, cultural leaders, because those are really formative years of the development and growth of a child. I mean, community knew the values of sex. No? That in the world, one era, no? A bear, look at it in the PPE, and a Lucy, no? Lucy, we are saying. That in the kilo to Mapa, and pay me, you pay me. I take the one and I university. Look at you do a matter of one university. As far as the near Mama, and engagement, and I am out of Mama. As a parent, you will bear you. That people I don't tell what I think.
I'm informing you that it is there. As a school, we are doing all necessary things to improve, to sensitize, to advocate for early pregnancy and even early marriage. But I'm telling you, in the villages, in the community, parents are the ones encouraging their children into this system, into teenage pregnancy, into early marriage.
Who want to react when the Japan and bear the Tino look high? Bible guy quality or Piaruari or Tina Bissia. What can you make that Timmy, Vedatina Bear, Capuno go, I put it in?
As the little of you done,
You've heard about very many women organizations. There are very many sexual reproductive health organizations. What have you done? You're going to sit comfortably and when you talk to police, make sure that you empower the community, sensitize the community about the dangers of teenage pregnancy.
To get the package here, and we go and exhaust it to my member of the council. We are here for teenage pregnancy and others, according to the deliberation made here by doctor and the DEO. When we are in a council meeting, I always tell you as the speaker, I consume your reports. And it is out of your report that we can guide and we can implement whatever we feel should be done to our people. I still urge you, I still beg you, I still request you that as you handle these reports, be honest, be serious, be faithful, and be kind to the people we serve, especially the younger ones.
Then the last one is, I have a problem with the boarding schools. If you have to see, literally we stay with our children at home only for like 2 months in a year. The rest of the days, they are in school. You get grown-up girls and small girls, and these people sleep in the same dormitory. What these people discuss at night is very bad. I'm a teacher, I know. Where our science stops is where theirs begin. Children are very clever. Reverend, your child knows you more than you know them. I'm telling you, they know the time you come, they know what you don't like, they know what you like. And when they hear one second, they run and see. They already read your science. So they know you. In boarding schools, they share so many things at night. There are others who sleep in with the phone. They are talking at night with their boyfriend. These ones are here.
But our members of parliament, again, they are pushing for immorality in this country. Now, if member of parliament is talking about promoting morality, what do you think a councillor at the parish level will do? Because they respect those members of parliament. So I think the problem comes from the leaders themselves. They lack what to do when they're elected to present our country. Because as a leader, you to identify the problem in the community and you come with a solution to those problems. But again, after identifying the problem, again, you have to work the problem. Secondly, this was mainly is from our cultural leaders. We have seen in Lango here, we're just struggling for the position of Wanyashi. And we are failed to play our part.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.